Why are there holes in this conveyor belt? These are vacuum fabric-to-fabric PVC belts, precision punched with a CNC grid. When used with a vacuum pump, these holes create a powerful suction that locks products to the belt surface. Why did the holes exist? It grips lightweight or slippery atoms, like paper or rubber. It allows liquids or soap release agents to fall through. The holes allow airflow to quickly draw heat and moisture away from the product. The game changer for the tire industry. Uncured rubber is sticky and easily stretched. The vacuum holds the rubber strip perfectly flat for precise cutting. It accelerates the cooling process after extrusion. It ensures every tire layer is perfectly aligned for a safer drive. Looking for industrial precision? Reach out to us. A1 Conveyors, for operations that never stops.